You're listening to NewsRamp Environmental and Energy. Today is Thursday afternoon, January 29th, 2026. Real stories, AI voice. Details at newsramp.com. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. Let's dive in.
Why the global switch to renewables is happening faster than expected. The global energy system is changing faster than expected, with renewable power now the default choice for new electricity projects in many countries. Cost savings and fast deployment speeds are driving this shift. Companies like Geosolar Technologies Inc. are expanding their footprint, accelerating the switch to renewable energy. Green Energy Stocks is a platform focusing on companies shaping the green economy, providing access to a vast network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communications.
GridAI Technologies, GRDX, names Marshall Chapin as CEO of AI and Energy Infrastructure subsidiary. GridAI Technologies has appointed Marshall Chapin as the CEO of its subsidiary, GridAI Inc., specializing in AI and energy infrastructure. Chapin's extensive experience in the energy sector positions him well to lead the development of AI-driven software for efficient energy resource management. The company aims to revolutionize grid and power management for AI data center campuses, enhancing energy orchestration and resource coordination.
Ucore Rare Metals enters new year with key processing milestones in sight. Ucore Rare Metals enters the new year with key processing milestones in sight. The company's focus on rare earth supply chain bottlenecks positions its Louisiana Strategic Metals Complex as a flagship U.S. commercialization step. With rare earth elements at the forefront of industrial policy, defense planning, and the energy transition, Ucore's advancements in technology development towards commercial-scale processing mark a significant start to the year.
UGI requests increase in natural gas base rates. UGI Utilities, Inc. has submitted a request to the Pennsylvania Public Utility Commission to raise base rates for customers by $99.40 million yearly. The increase aims to cover system upgrades and ensure reliable gas service for residential, commercial, and industrial clients. UGI serves over 700,000 customers in 46 Pennsylvania counties.
U.S. Nuclear Corp reports a third-quarter profit, a reduction in total liabilities of $1,100,000 from a year ago, and projects an increase in 2026, revenues approaching 50%. U.S. Nuclear Corporation reports a third-quarter profit with a reduction in total liabilities of $1,000,000 from a year ago. The company projects an increase in 2026 revenues approaching 50%. CEO Bob Goldstein highlights plans to reduce expenses, add experienced sales reps, and launch new marketing initiatives. U.S. Nuclear aims to double sales over the next 18 to 24 months by targeting various customer segments and exploring partnerships with drone companies.
Olenox Industries Inc. represents a company name change and branding pivot toward integrated energy development. Olenox Industries Inc., formerly Safe and Green Holdings Corporation, has rebranded to focus on energy operations. The company aims to address rising energy demand through domestic production services and monitoring capabilities. The name change follows a merger with New Asia Holdings Inc. and a year of internal restructuring. Management believes the new name better reflects the company's evolving asset base and strategic priorities.
Network news breaks. Renewable Fuels Inc. advances American fusion strategy with expanded Texatram TMI portfolio. Renewable Fuels has made significant strides in its American fusion strategy, expanding its Texatran TMIP portfolio. The company's subsidiary, Kepler Fusion Technologies, has filed its first priority utility patent for its aneutron fusion platform. Renewable Fuels is also moving towards SEC reporting status, with plans for a Form 10 registration statement and a name change to American Fusion Inc. Investor relations efforts and ongoing litigation updates were also highlighted. Investor news breaks. Renewable Fuels Inc. advances American fusion strategy with expanded Texatron TM IP portfolio. Renewable Fuels Inc. has made significant strides in advancing its American fusion strategy, including expanding its Texatron TM IP portfolio. The company's subsidiary, Kepler Fusion Technologies, has filed initial patent applications for its neutronic fusion platform. Renewable Fuels is also moving towards SEC reporting status, with a Form 10 registration statement in progress and a PCAOB audit targeted for completion in February 2026. Additionally, the company has engaged Securities Counsel for a name and trading symbol change to American Fusion Inc.
Investor news breaks. Renewable Fuels Inc. advances American fusion strategy with expanded Texatron TNIP portfolio. Renewable Fuels Inc. has made significant strides in advancing its American fusion strategy by expanding its Texatron TIP portfolio. The company's subsidiary, Kepler Fusion Technologies, has filed initial patent applications establishing a strong intellectual property foundation. Renewable Fuels is also moving towards SEC reporting status, with plans for a Form 10 registration statement and completion of a PCAOB audit. Additionally, the company has engaged Securities Counsel, announced a name change to American Fusion Inc., and retained Investor Brand Network for investor relations support.
CleanGo Innovations Inc. announces strategic expansion into South America with first shipment approval to Argentina partner Indio Química S.A. CleanGo Innovations Inc. has secured approval from its partner Indio Química S.A. for the first shipment of 6,000 liters of CG100 industrial cleaner to Argentina. This marks CleanGo's entry into the South American market, targeting the region's demand for eco-friendly solutions in the industrial and energy sectors. The partnership leverages Indio Química's 65-year legacy in Argentina, setting the stage for future product introductions.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Environmental and Energy Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading news wires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.